ChatGPT finally has released the feature that allows us to upload the photos inside, but what is more important, to have the conversation about it. And I prepared for you some showcases of it, and at the end of this video I have for you the gift, so check it out and let's get into it. Step number 1 is to go over to the ChatGPT, and then next to the send a message box we have the image icon, alright? Therefore we need to click on here. And now we can upload the photos, alright? So I will pick this one and click open. And afterwards, we can ask any questions about this image. So I can type, what is happening here? And what do you see? Then ChatGPT will provide for us some useful informations. So the image depicts an abandoned indoor area, possibly a gymnasium or a sports facility. And there we have the facts. The flooring appears to be a mix of tiles and wooden planks. Some parts are damaged or missing. Alright, so there we see. So right here, for example, and there is a topple basketball hoop lying on the floor. The walls are adorned with various symbols and graphics. Some resemble Olympic symbols while others seems to represent different sports, alright? There we can see. So this is something great. ChatGPT is really precise in that case. Graffiti and street arts are visible on the some walls, indicating that the space may have been visited by people after its abandonment. And there, really interesting fact, so we have here the parts of the bicycle, and now we see a bicycle in a state of disrepair lies on the floor, suggesting it might have been left behind. So even ChatGPT is really precise in that case. So it catches the small details, alright? And after, for example, we can ask the questions to the ChatGPT. Let's take a look at the text on the walls. What nationality can it be, alright? So I mean these ones. And this is something really great. The text on the walls appears to be written in Cyrillic script, which is used by various Slavic and non-Slavic languages in Eastern Europe. And furthermore, we have the words like. And this one words, alright, so we can check it. And this seems to be this one word. And the second one, maybe this one, alright. And that's something great, because we have the languages like Russian, Ukrainian, Serbian or Bulgarian. And this is something really precise and really great. Next, another one great usage is that we can experiment with the text on the images. So for example, sometimes you have the PNGs with the text, and then you need to rewrite it by yourself. But now let's check if ChatGPT can do this for us. So for this case, we can screenshot this one entire text, alright? So pick it like here, go straight forward to the ChatGPT, click here, and now paste it, alright? So it will paste the screenshot and type something like, can you rewrite this text from this image? To be more concise, we can even type, don't change any words, just only this text. So just look on it. We didn't have this opportunity so far. So exactly the same one text, just rewrite it with the ChatGPT, and that's something incredible and it can be really helpful in the future. Now I would like you to imagine that you, for example, have different diagrams or whether the graphics that you don't understand. For example, you are covering the biological topics, alright? And now ChatGPT is really great in that case. So with the new upload image feature, we can go over here and attach our image that is not understandable for us. So there you can see, I have some typical cells, the animal cell, plant cell and the bacteria cell, and I don't understand it at all. So I can type to the ChatGPT, I don't understand the topic at all, could you tell me what is going on? And that's really incredible. So we have the entire information about it, and we have everything explained. So what is the cell membrane that we have here, alright? And every part of the cell, and this is something really awesome. Alright, so we have the comprehensive information. Even we can ask more about it, so we can type something like, tell me more about the cell membrane or the vacuole, something like that, ribosomes. Even we can experiment with it a little bit to check the precise of ChatGPT, and I typed, tell me the unique elements for each cell based on this image and describe them. That's something really excellent. We can do a lot of great stuff with this new feature. There we have the entire information that I wanted. So the unique elements for each cell based on this image. So that we have it. As I told at the beginning, I have prepared for you the gift, namely 70% off for my ChatGPT Masterclass, and it only costs $10, so only the $10. And there you will be able to learn about the writing the content, simplifying the information, boosting our effectiveness 10 times, alright? Learn the extensions, the plugins, the ways to learn quickly or build the study guides. So this is really great opportunity because you have the entire information about ChatGPT in one place for $10 or less. So the only $10. Furthermore, I have for you the next one, step-by-step guide how to create and sell the AI arts in Midjourney. So the entire A to Z process from the strategy throughout creating the product to the publishing it. And it's only for the $10 as well, alright? And there is a limited time, so be quick. Of course, I will put the links to these promotions in the description of this video. And that's all for now. See you next time.